So finally back at my place after a very long time, and I think I am shooting something in India after very long. So tomorrow is Diwali and I want to wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance, and I just want to say that please stay safe, enjoy with your friends and family and have fun and capture all the good moments with some awesome cameras. Now, speaking about the movements, I thought why not I make some AMA type of video and discuss with you some questions which you have asked me on Instagram yesterday. So today's video is all about some tips and tricks with which you can capture some unforgettable moments on Diwali Eve, not just by your expensive DSLR but by the machine which every one of you carries in your pocket. Yes, your smartphone. I'm very excited now. Now just smash the intro and get it started. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Now the guy with whom I'm going to make this video is no stranger to you all. He is Divyang Sajdeva. Yeah, the same guy who helped me in my Pixel 2 versus iPhone 8 blind camera test. I will link his social media accounts in the description below, so go follow him and check out his amazing work. But sadly, he is not currently here in this city because he is pursuing a photography degree in a college in Uti. So that's sad, but there's another advantage also, that he has learned a lot of things since our previous collab. So now I will call him and let's discuss all the questions with him also. So let's call my friend now. I hope he might not be very busy now. It seems that he is busy right now. Hello, my friend Divyang. So, how are you, guy?
Hello everyone.
So, there's some questions for you. My followers have asked some questions for you. So, will you answer them?
Yeah, tell me.
So, now let's begin with the first question. One user has asked that how to capture the photos of diyas and lights in the Diwali Eve. Like in night, how can we get the perfect shot?
See, that totally depends upon the photographer, what he wants to capture
No,
and as composition.
I think we
But
should discuss about mobile photography because on DSLR everyone can capture good moments, but we need to focus on mobile photography. So I
okay, so
think that firstly we should need some manual camera apps as well.
yeah, like there are some good phones with inbuilt.
Yeah, like
Uh,
OnePlus 6 which we have tried, OnePlus 6T.
yeah, like
Do you have in your
many
phone
phones
also
nowadays.
manual mode?
Yeah, like many phones nowadays come with manual pro or pro mode
Yeah,
in the
iPhones also don't
camera.
come with manual mode.
So that's an iPhone. So so if there are some people using some phones that don't have manual mode or pro mode,
Yeah, they
they
can
can go for
download
third
third
party
party
apps.
apps.
Yeah, they can download third party apps like
So
Open Camera app and
So any additional hardware also required like tripods? It will also be
yeah.
beneficial.
See, it's night photography, so you do require a tripod, or if you don't have
Yeah.
a tripod, you can keep the phone somewhere stable, so you can capture it because the shutter speed
Yeah,
will be slow. So if the shutter speed is slow, you need to make the camera stable.
yeah, shutter speed is also a point. So let's discuss the question now. So first question was how to capture diyas and lights in Diwali.
So like I said, it totally depends upon photographer and his composition, what he wants to capture. And for me, it's like on spot thing. Like I don't plan and capture anything. I just go
Okay,
out
okay.
and if I see something good, I just capture it. So if you want to experiment with diyas and Diwali lights, and you are good in portrait photography, or you want to do portrait photography, you just uh, make use of these as like bouquets. So, for example, you can keep your model in front of diyas and place him somewhere like
Like,
far from the diyas, so that you get some good bokeh
no, but
effect in the
many
background.
people light their diyas inside their houses on stairs also. So we can adjust the light also at that point, so to capture the flame perfectly.
Yeah, so if you are capturing it on the stairs, like you'll get some good depth effect. So suppose there's some model in front of you and
Yeah, I
these
think
are in the
I
background.
think we should keep the ISO below 400 for better.
Yeah, 400 is the safe thing. You won't get much grains in 400 ISO. So it's
Okay,
better to go
okay.
till like the max should be 400. But if you are shooting in very low light, you can go till 800.
So what about the lights? Like lights hanging outside the houses? How to capture these?
Uh, that's also like on spot composition. I can't say much about this because
Yeah, but we
mm,
need faster shutter speeds for them also.
not exactly like if you capture them at the speed, you will get some starburst effect. So
Okay, okay.
that's a very good thing.
Now, apart from the diyas or lights, I have seen many people capturing some nice effects from crackers, like they are making some figures. Like we have made the
So
6 in the OnePlus 6 video also. So,
yeah,
how can we make that perfectly? And how can we adjust
so
our light settings?
that's called light painting, and need to have a slow shutter speed for that and a tripod too. Can you repeat the question?
The question was like how to capture some designs, like we have made a 6 sign of OnePlus 6 using the flashlight. So using the crackers, how can we make that designs or capture in the perfect detail in every cracker? Like if we capture in normal mode, then we will get only smoke and some blurry images only. So
Yeah, so like I said, go for slow shutter speed and
okay, okay.
just set your camera on a tripod and adjust the shutter speed according to the light. And if you are going with slow shutter, reduce the ISO like as minimum as you can. Like 100 is the minimum in the smartphone, so
So
make the ISO till 100 and shutter speed till like that depends upon the lighting. Go till
So we will need
four
tripod also
seconds.
because it needs
Yeah,
stability also.
yeah.
And for
Tripod
that,
is needed. You need to have a tripod, or you can keep your phone somewhere stable.
okay,
So,
okay. So one another user questioned me, "Will you buy the OnePlus 60?" So do you like the phone?
uh, actually, I'm quite happy with my current phone, and because it
Which is
has
your
a good
current phone?
S8.
Okay,
So,
Samsung Galaxy S8. But personally, I am not happy with the OnePlus 60. I have seen the phone, but I think it is not an improvement. But instead of that, they have reduced some features, like they have removed the headphone jack. But previous year, they were tweeting like you need headphone jack. Other companies are ditching it. They also mocked Apple for that. But now they are doing that thing. I have seen in video that one other person asked OnePlus that why they removed the jack. So they told that they have made the battery bigger. They have introduced in-display fingerprint. For that technologies, they had to manage some space inside. So that's why they removed. But personally, I don't like the phone because there are not major improvements like hardware is same RAM, same storage, and
Yeah, so
camera is also I think same almost.
yeah, it's almost same. Everything is just same, and just the design they have changed some.
And in their launch event,
The
they also introduced Qualcomm's 5G technology, and they said that in future OnePlus devices it will come. So in 4 months, the next device will come with 5G. So I don't think there's need of OnePlus 60 now.
yeah, uh, see, OnePlus has this like been following Apple. It's been following Apple like. For example, when Apple started making iPhones, they released a version, S version after some time for
Yeah,
like
yeah.
improvements and user improvements.
But they release
And
after 1 year.
the
But
company,
OnePlus is doing in 5 or 6 months only. They are doing two releases per year. Apple is doing only one.
it's like totally like what they think, the company's CEO thing, and I
Yeah, but
can't say much about it.
yeah. So now we should discuss about photography and how can we capture ourselves. Like we need to capture ourselves at the night nearby crackers. So how to get the perfect shot of our face so we do not get much blur. Like can we capture portraits at night also using our smartphones?
You are saying about portrait mode or like just portrait?
In manual portrait because portrait mode doesn't detect at night for many devices.
Yeah, you need good lighting conditions for portrait mode in smartphones. So, or what you can do is you can
No,
use another smartphone's flash on
yeah,
your
yeah,
face, and
another smartphone, and we can also use the flash that Xiaomi brings, like that of which attaches to the computer. We can attach that to power bank.
external flash.
That LED
Yeah,
flash.
external LED flash.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can use that. Uh, if the lighting is good, then you may be able to capture the portrait mode. But I don't think so. Everyone will be having that external portable flash. So
but
the
everyone has any secondary smartphone. They can use the flash of
yeah,
that.
they
They
can
have
use the flash of
smartphone
the
at
other
home.
second machine. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So that's a very good session and nice to talk with you again. And I hope my users will also be happy to see you again on the channel. And I have told them that currently you are in UT pursuing a photography degree. So do follow him, guys. His Instagram is full of lit photos. So you you should also post your work which you will click on Diwali and tag me and tag Divyang and use the hashtag ask tech telepathy, and you can also use the hashtag Diwali with tech telepathy and show us some of your amazing work, and I will also share and retweet if you post on Twitter. So I think it's time to say goodbye to all. Very happy
But
Diwali.
same to you all, everyone. Like people here in OT don't celebrate Diwali, but like
Okay.
so I won't be able to capture any good Diwali crackers or lights. But I hope to see some amazing clicks from you all, and
Yeah,
keep clicking.
we will surely send you some amazing photos.
Yes, please.
So
So see you. Nice talking to you,
see
bro.
you. Bye. So that's it, guys, and I hope you like this video, and I will be very curious to see all of the work that you share on Instagram and Twitter. For the time being, goodbye, guys. Have a safe Diwali. Enjoy with your friends and family. Have lots of fun. Click lots of photos and also share with me as I want to see the amazing creative work done by you. So time to take leave, but if you are a newcomer to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon also to stay updated with me, as I will post some amazing videos like this in the future also. So for the time being, goodbye guys, and see you all in the next one.
Are we dreaming?